Dow Jones traders, we hit 40,000. What a surprise that was. Dow 40,000. I remember back in the day when it was Dow 10,000. Let's take a look at the reversal. We have a down day here. Narrow range, big down day. This down day here was 660 points from the top to the bottom. And then we went out on the holiday weekend with it at the lows. So stay tuned, everybody. The 50-day moving average is right here. That's 38,902. We're going to test it. The 100-day is simply right down below here, everybody, at 38,647. So we have a daily sell signal on the Dow. The Dow lets us know what is going to happen as we look forward into the other key indexes and when we're going to have market reversals. So we're always looking at how the tops start. You have to have a huge down day to qualify, and then we're coming and we look to see how we bounce off of the 50-day moving average on this Dow index.